Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson addresses FUD, and Bitcoin had a sharp correction this weekend, but will continue this week. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
Bitcoin starts a new week in recovery mode after an unusually volatile weekend sparked heavy losses. Bitcoin price action is struggling to reclaim old all-time highs after days of sustained selling pressure. But can the bulls turn the tide? A brutal weekend for bulls hoping for a break soon placed Bitcoin at its lowest level since March 6. Bouncing near 64,500, Bitcoin then produced a solid recovery, almost reaching the $69,000 mark before encountering fresh losses at the weekly close. One theory circling online put the trend down to a single hedge fund's position unwinding. Here, the entity may have been long Bitcoin while simultaneously shorting the stock of tech firm MicroStrategy. When this was liquidated, the fund had no choice but to sell around $1 billion in Bitcoin to cover the losses. Despite the setback, Bitcoin nonetheless managed its second highest weekly close ever at just below 68,400. The largest cryptocurrency finished the week down a mere $600 versus the previous weekly close. A number of important events and announcements are scheduled to occur this week in the United States that could impact the price of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ether. First off, the US housing data, which typically pertains to the construction of new residential buildings in the country. This will be released on Tuesday, and it depicts the health of the housing market and overall economic activity. Then on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is set to decide on the interest rate, which can have a noticeable impact on the price of Bitcoin. Notably, lower interest rates can make traditional investments like bonds and saving accounts, leading investors to seek higher returns elsewhere, most probably Bitcoin. On the same day, another event is taking place. The Fed will hold a press conference to discuss the economy and Fed rates for the near future. And finally, on Friday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will address the U.S. media, talking about the existing state of the economy and discussing the potential steps that the central bank of the U.S. will take to further strengthen the country's position as the world leader. Are Layer 1s going to be the leaders of this bull run? Layer 1s are the market's favorite tokens, not just for retail, but also for VCs and investors. Last cycle, Layer 1s were the strongest in the market, but why is that? First off, Ethereum was very slow and expensive, and still is. Ethereum has chosen to scale in Layer 2s, rather than doing it on the mainnet itself, so a lot of these alternative Layer 1s were labeled ETH killers, and that was a very strong narrative. Another reason why Layer 1s were the best performers of last bull cycle was because the market loves infrastructure and seems to be able to justify a much higher valuation in the billions of dollars for these protocols that it can justify a dApp, a DEX, or marketplace. And now Solana has outperformed Ethereum and other EVM Layer 2 solutions in terms of 24-hour transaction volume, reaching a total of 3.65 billion against Ethereum's 2.37 billion. Sol's latest achievement places it at the forefront of blockchain transactions, even surpassing the combined efforts of other significant networks such as Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon, and Optimism, according to data from DeFi Llama. Sol hit its latest high this morning at just under $210, only $50 away from its all-time high set back in 2021. And according to Gumshoe on X, Solana daily active addresses just skyrocketed to all-time highs. I would never count this metric for measuring adoption, but I do think this time is different. Meme coin madness is taking over the ecosystem. Growth suggests a lot of people are bridging to Solana, and added evidence is stablecoin inflows to Sol have been insane lately. In addition to that, Solana has flipped BNB to become the fourth largest coin by market cap, and Sol may go on to be this cycle's Ethereum, making massive gains. Another Layer 1 with huge potential this cycle is Sui. As bullish pressure ignites, the Sui network recorded a massive spike in transactions and TVL alongside the broader crypto market. In the last 30 days, Sui has recorded $310 million in TVL after it previously tapped 6,000 transactions per second in December. This increased network efficiency led to over 13.8 million blocks being produced in a single day. Sui blockchain's growth is not a singular event, as the broader crypto market has seen massive inflows since Q4 2023. Coming off a bear market, DeFi platforms have recorded increased activity across multiple platforms. However, Tim Kravchinovsky, founder and CEO of decentralized telecommunications network Chirp, believes that Sui has a potential to become the go-to blockchain, not just for DeFi, but also sectors like DePIN or decentralized physical infrastructure networks. He said the Sui blockchain can facilitate real-time, secure, and scalable interactions among a vast network of interconnected devices without bottlenecks that plague other blockchains. For DePIN, where rapid data exchange and reliability are paramount, SUI's high throughput and low latency are particularly advantageous. Moreover, SUI's horizontally scalable processing and storage capacities make it an ideal platform for DePIN projects aiming to support a wide range of applications at low operational costs. Compared to the likes of Ethereum and Solana, SUI really shines in terms of efficiency and stability. Today, our company Altcoin Buzz and other channel fungible games have major news with our partnership with TechStorm. TechStorm is a media distribution platform for the Asian market. It offers various broadcast options like broadcast TV and streaming services. This new partnership is a first of its kind. Altcoin Buzz and fungible games cover the latest trends across blockchain, digital assets, and play-to-earn games. TechStorm 24/7 will start a dedicated content belt, and the Altcoin Buzz weekly content belt will start on TechStorm on the 1st of April 2024. It's an exclusive premiere that will broadcast during prime time. You can tune in every Monday at 11 p.m. GMT plus 8. Furthermore, fungible games will also contribute episodes. TechStorm will broadcast these under a dedicated esports and video gaming content belt. Debbie Lee, founder and CEO of TechStorm, said, "We're thrilled to partner with Altcoin Buzz to bring both Altcoin Buzz and fungible games digital content series onto TechStorm's rapidly expanding distribution network. Viewers can expect curated content on the latest trends in the digital asset world, blockchain trends, and the news drops and play-to-earn games weekly on our regional broadcast TV network and streaming partner platforms." The Central Bank of Nigeria has completed a memorandum of understanding with Gluwa Nigeria to promote the usage of the e-Naira central bank digital currency. Gluwa is a blockchain-based financial platform that's been active in Nigeria for several years. Gluwa will integrate its credential technology into the e-Naira platform. It plans to enable the creation of credit reputations for unbanked users, thus furthering financial inclusion. The credit profiles it will create will be accessible across borders and increase the CBDC's effectiveness. This is the latest of many attempts by the CBN to boost e-Naira usage. The e-Naira is the world's second oldest CBDC, launched in October 2021. As of 2023, less than 1% of Nigerians with bank accounts had e-Naira wallets, and less than 1.5% of wallet holders were active in a week. Credit ratings are a sore point in Africa. Only 20 to 30% of Africans have a credit score, leaving the remaining of its people invisible to lenders. Mounting FUD within the Cardano community has sparked speculations lately. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has stepped forward to address the concerns, particularly in light of the partnership with World Mobile announced in April 2021. World Mobile is building a decentralized blockchain-powered mobile network that will disrupt the telecommunications industry and activate a global sharing economy. Hoskinson took to X and wrote, "Man, it's raining FUD this weekend, and I'm not sure about the origin. I guess it's that time of the cycle where everyone freaks out about Cardano's potential and roadmap, so they throw a wave of FUD at us." With respect to World Mobile, the goals of their project require the construction of a global scale, heterogeneous protocol that handles complex hardware that is literally flying in the air, licensed spectrum, user-driven network growth, and future-proofing the quantum realm we're headed towards. No current system in the entire blockchain ecosystem is capable or has technology to resolve a project at that scale, involving billions of users. That's why World Mobile is building it. Cardano's roadmap intersects in a very important way with a strong focus on identity, partnered chains, and our unique programming model involving EUTXO. These, among other concerns like governance, are building blocks for a partner chain to scale. World Mobile is trying to connect the unconnected, not just the Cardano unconnected, and screw the rest of the industry. Every human should be connected by a decentralized network with equal and fair rules. While the roadmap has never varied, the framework and core infrastructure are new for this paradigm and will require time to mature, as we're seeing with the Midnight DevNet growing. We at IOG look forward to working with World Mobile to help them achieve their mission and ensure Cardano continues to be part of their story.